Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word to generate APA referencing in text and also generating a reference list at the end of your paper. So you can see right now I have my document open. So I've got my title page, I've got my table of contents, I've got my list of figures, and here's my abstract page, here's my introduction page, and here's my figure page. Okay, so I'm going to have to add a page because I'm done writing my paper. Hopefully you're not at this point, but if you were done writing this paper, you would go to, I'd make sure my cursor is on the very last page, right? And I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to do a page break, and I'm going to get one more page at the bottom. Okay, so I am going to increase my pages so that you guys can see this better. Okay, so I'm going to insert a reference page because this is where I want to put all my references. So guess what? I'm going to go to the reference tab up here, and I'm going to create a bibliography. And I'm just going to do, you can do bibliography, you can do references, you can do works cited. Let's just do references for now. So you'll notice that there is a reference in here. I'm going to take this out because I want to show you what's going to happen. Okay, so I don't have any references right here. Um, so let's just say you are writing away and you got these great references and you want to add a reference at the end here. And I'm going to insert a citation. So I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to add a new source. So you can see I've already put one source, but I'm going to add a new source right here. And you can select, do you want it to be a book section, a journal article, periodical, and so you've got all of these. You've got a website that you can pick from, you can do an electronic source. All right, so I'm just going to assume that I've got a journal article, and the author for this journal article is, let's do Raymond. Okay, so the last name is Raymond, and it gives you the example down here on what it should look like. So I've got to put a comma. And Raymond is, he doesn't have a middle name, but he's got K, Raymond K. All right, and there's a second author on this, and the second author's name is, let's do Kingland. All right, and you're going to put a comma and you're going to put J. So just follow the exact example that they have. And the title here is including references in APA format. Okay. My journal name is APA Journal. The year that I found this article, so you're on your article, it's 2017. And if you have page numbers, let's do 36 through 42. Okay, so I can now click OK. And it puts the author's names there, which is fantastic. So I've added my reference. I don't have to remember where to put the commas and any of that stuff. So I'm going to go back down here to my reference page, and okay, there's no references here. So if I click on that, guess what? I can update my citations and bibliography, and it should update. Let's see what's going on here. Let's erase this real quick, create another one. All right, and so then it puts my references there. So it puts this one up here because I've got that listed. So if I was writing an article, I would make sure that my references are actually included into my introduction. Okay, so that it creates your bibliography. And anytime you create another one, so let's just do another one just for fun and see if it works. So let's just assume we've written a nice sentence here. All right, and we are going to include insert a citation. Again, I'm going to add a new source, and this time I'm going to use an electronic format, or I'm going to use a website, and the author was Health, again, comma J, or let's see, B. All right, the name of the web page is Web Health. The name of the website is webhealth.com. And the year, it's 2018, month is June, the day, I guess the name of the page, okay, the name of the website, again, is let's just do Web Health Forever. Okay, and then the day is going to be the 14th, and the URL is worldwideweb.webhealth.com. Okay, so now again, that's again referenced in my text, and then if I go down here and I update my references, and the other nice thing about it, it's there, it puts it in there, tells you when it was retrieved, and it also puts it in alphabetical order. Great tool to use. I highly recommend using this as you build your references. And this, you can actually change the title of this again. You can highlight it. You can make it black. You can make it new Times New Roman, and you're going to do 12, and there's your references. So a great tool to use. Again, I recommend that you guys use this.